Hey, boys and girls, how are you today? Hopefully, you're working hard in math class. I'm here. I'm going to go through a couple warm-up problems with you so that you can check your work when you're finished. Make sure that you're showing all of your work, okay? So let's take a look. It says warm-up solve, show all of your work. We've got 20 and 18. I'm going to start in the lower ones place, okay, with my 8. And I'm going to multiply my 8 to every place value position in the top number. So 8 times 6 is 48, and I'm going to carry my 4. 8 times 2 is 16, and I have to add that 4 up there. So 16 and 4 is 20. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to cross this off so I know I used it. Then I'm going to move to the next place because there's no more digits up top. I'm going to go to my bottom number and I'm going to move from the ones place to the tens place. And I'm going to multiply times 1, which in reality is really 10. So I'm going to fill in a 0 there so that I'm not multiplying times 1, I'm actually multiplying times 10. All right, so I go ahead and follow the same process where I use my tens digit in the bottom and I multiply it times the ones, times the tens, times the any digit in the top number, but I go from the smallest place value to the largest. So 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 2 is 2, and I'm done. All right, so I've gotten all of my multiplication done. Now I need to add my two partial products together to get my final product. So 8 and 0 is 8, 0 and 6 is 6, 2 and 2 is 4. So my final product is 468. If you did not get this, go back and check your work and see where you made a mistake. Maybe it was a calculation error. I do it all the time. Please make sure, though, on your slide, your teacher can see all of your work.